Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the Samsung is released the Galaxy M51 teaser short trailer. Samsung India just shared a teaser of its upcoming mid-ranger, the Samsung Galaxy M51. The short clip show the phone as a monster, and we are guessing that refer to its battery. That previous rumor said will have 7000 mAh big capacity battery. Now, as you can see on your screen, this is the Samsung India Twitter account. He posts, if you can guess why the all new Samsung F51 is the most unpredictable power packed, meanest monster ever, you can stand a chance to win one for yourself. I mean, reward for one mean monster lover out there. A Google console listing from earlier today gave us a good idea about the key specs. We are now waiting for additional announcement so we get the pricing and availability details. So now the specs is confirmed by Google Play Console, and Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy M51. The new mid-range will have the Snapdragon 730 chipset and therein accompanying image confirming that the selfie camera is going to be in a creational placed punch hole. As you can see on your screen, this is the specification full list. The Google Play Console listing of the Galaxy M51 also shows that the launch is fast approaching as the development is entering its final stage. The listing also confirmed that the Samsung phone will have up to 8 gigs of RAM and full HD plus screen as well as Android 10 out of the box. We know the Galaxy M51 launch is right around the corner because it has also appeared on Amazon India. The landing page does not have any actual data for the unveiling nor the price is mentioned, but it should be updated in due time and we will let you know when there are more detail. I will make more videos about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy M51 because this phone has a 7000 mAh big battery and a monster design, amazing capacity, 8 gigs of RAM and new Snapdragon chipset. So let's see in upcoming days. And guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos, and let me know in the comment section, are you like the upcoming Samsung Galaxy M51? Because a lots of PUBG lover want a huge battery smartphone and they love the Galaxy smartphone, so this is the great choice for PUBG and a long time gamer runner. So let me know in the comment section and like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.